Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you that's dumpling sauce or Momos chutney. So let's get started and see the recipe. These are the ingredients we need for the recipe: tomatoes, dry red chilies, water. These are for the boiling and these all for the fry. So we need garlic, ginger, vinegar, soya sauce, sugar, salt. That's it. So first we need to heat the pan and pour some water, around 2 cups. Now add some fresh large tomatoes, 3. Now add dry red chilies, 4 to 7. It's up to you how spicy you want to eat. Add little bit more water, and now we are going to cover this and let it cook for some time, or we can say like around 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, open the cover. Are you seeing how the tomatoes have cooked? So the tomato skin is coming out and it means it cooked well. So at this stage I'm going to take them out from the pan one by one, and all the dry red chilies as well. See? Now tomatoes are completely mashed up and boiled. Now it's a time to grind it. So before grinding it, make sure you peel off the skin of the tomatoes, and now add the tomatoes mixture in the blender and we're gonna blend it. Now the sauce or chutney is blended, and we can say it's half ready. See? Now take a pan and add some oil, around 1 teaspoon. Add chopped garlic, 4 cloves. Now add ginger. I took 1 piece and shredded. Now a little bit cook. Now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce which I have blended as you see. Now give a good mix and make it little cooked. Now I'm gonna add salt, half teaspoon. Also I'm gonna add sugar, 1 teaspoon, because it's gonna so spicy. And mix well. Now we're gonna mix it well and cook it for a few minutes. If you think it's too thick, you can add more water in it anytime. And now we're gonna cook it for a few minutes. Now we're gonna add the vinegar, 1 teaspoon, soya sauce, 1 teaspoon. Soya sauce gives a nice flavor, like you will like it, so that's why. Now we're going to cook it again for a few more minutes. After a few minutes, look at the dumpling sauce, or you can say Momos chutney. It's cooked properly and ready to serve. Friends, if you like my recipe, please like my video, hit the bell icon button and subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Happy cooking and happy eating. Bye bye.